Hello and welcome to KSG Bulletin. Here are the important news updates. India has been ranked at 116th position in the World Bank's Annual Human Capital Index 2020 that benchmarks key components of human capital across countries. The Asia-Pacific region risks a damaging financial crisis from a surge of non-performing loans caused by rising insolvencies, a senior official from the World Bank Group's private sector arm said on 17 September 2020. The government has permitted foreign direct investment of up to 74% under automatic route in the defense sector with a view to attracting overseas investors, according to a press note issued by DPIIT on 17 September 2020. The government is examining the national strategy of artificial intelligence. Scientists have, for the first time, discovered a Jupiter-sized planet orbiting a white dwarf or a dead star located about 80 light years away. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. For more details and information, please visit ksgindia.com. On our website, you'll get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way. Informative editorial of the day focusing on current issues, fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.